Very big. The filter's total area is more than 100 square meters. Because the material, the filter material is nano flame retardant HEPA filter. Its brand is Oslo, very famous brand. So the filter quality is very good, and the efficiency is also very good. You can see.
How many?
There are 15. This model is 15 filters. Yeah, the filter area, total area is more than 100 square meters. 100 square meters, so very big, and its efficiency is very small. Its efficiency is 0.1 to 0.3. To change it is very easy. This has a screw. Yeah, the screw. Turn right, turn left is install. To left is to change. Okay, very easy. Why? And to make sure the better quality, we use the cover, the metal cover, outside the filter. So the filter, if your hands don't worry, the filter will be damaged. It is very stable. The metal cover, and the area is very big.